corporate students here. Dear students, in today's lesson we shall learn from unit number 4 as Asmar Islara Anhu, and topic for today's video is cataphoric reference and anaphoric reference. Dear students, cataphoric and anaphoric references. Cataphoric and anaphoric references are emphatic styles of sentence structure. It means that they are the kind of words or phrases that put stress or give emphasis on any of the word, action, or any work that you do. They are used to insert emphasis into the first clause of the statement. So they put emphasis on certain words or certain actions, and they are called a cataphoric reference or anaphoric reference. Okay, dear students, first we look at the cataphoric reference. Cataphoric reference is also called forward reference. First we look at the definition of the cataphoric reference. Cataphoric reference is an expression that occurs when a word or phrase refers to something later in the discourse. When we speak about or when we talk about anything later than the first thing. So the things we are talking later, or talking about that person or thing or object later, that is called the cataphoric reference. And another definition says an expression that refers to a later expression in the discourse is called a cataphoric reference. So when you talk about anything late in your saying or words or speech or sermon or homily, you are using the cataphoric reference. Here we have the example: although I help him every month, my friend still complains that I don't care often. So here we can see the word him, which actually is a pronoun. Him is used as a cataphoric reference, and it is occurring after the pronoun I. So I is appearing first. The pronoun I is appearing first, and pronoun him is occurring later. So him is used as the cataphoric reference. We can see here the explanation. Him refers to my friend. So in the second part of the sentence, my friend, although I help him, I is the person who is talking, and my friend is the person. For him is he's using the pronoun him. So him refers to my friend, which is him is used as a cataphoric reference here in this sentence or example. Here we have the anaphoric reference before us. We also call it backward reference. When we look at the definition of it, anaphoric reference is an expression that occurs when a word or phrase refers to something earlier in the discourse, in your words, in your speech, in your homily, in your sermon, when you talk about something earlier than the other thing. The second definition says an expression that refers to an earlier expression in the discourse is called anaphoric reference. So something that we are giving a kind of priority or speaking about that thing early, that is called anaphoric reference. Here we have the example: Ali went to school early. He was happy because it was open. So here we see that Ali is representing he, and he is used as a anaphoric reference. The later word we see in the first line is the school, and in the second line school is replaced by the word it. So both he and it refer back to the anaphoric reference, or you can say he and it both refer back to Ali and school, and they both are used as the anaphoric reference. The things that we have talked about earlier, and then we are using the words for them. Sometimes when we write the essay on some personality, and we don't repeatedly use the name of that personality, in place of that the name of the personality we use he or she or sometimes it. So the he, she and it are referring to the person Ali or Aslam or whatever you have named your friend, and you are talking about his qualities, you are repeatedly using the pronoun he as the anaphoric reference. That is the very easiest example that you can keep in your mind. Dear students, here we have one assignment for you. You will tell whether the reference given in these sentences is anaphoric or cataphoric. And I will read out the sentences for you. Her grandfather is the word that you will recognize. Abu Quhafa anhu was a disbeliever at that time. So you will recognize her grandfather, what reference it is, anaphoric or cataphoric. The second example we see, when Aslam was playing cricket, he hurt his hand. So here the pronoun he is used in place of Aslam. So we'll recognize what reference is this, cataphoric or anaphoric. The third example we have, Anis threw the stone, he broke the window. So he is referring to Anis. You will recognize what reference is this, anaphoric or cataphoric. The fourth example we have before you, the city of gardens, Lahore, is also famous for its historical places. So the city of garden is representing Lahore. So you recognize what reference is this, cataphoric or anaphoric. Please attempt this assignment and send me your responses. I shall be waiting for your answers.